Guys, do you ever ask yourself, what shampoo is for me? Let's go through them. So, introducing our Royal Treatment collection of shampoo and conditioner. With the classic, with the most amazing universal shampoo and conditioner, this is our Bond and Repair shampoo and conditioner. What it's gonna do, it's gonna reconstruct the hair, color treated, highlighted. If you're prepping your client before an extreme service, this is going to rebuild, restructure, and it's gonna be magic. This is gonna be your #1 selling shampoo and conditioner, hands down. Now, for all my young girls that create and have buildup, girls, I'm talking to you, the ones that kind of have thick hair that can't remove all that hair, that product out of their hair, what happens? That hair creates buildup. So what do we do and what do we need? This is our clarifying shampoo and our treatment. This is gonna go ahead and remove all of that buildup from that hair. So what do I do to my clients? I say, you know what, use this twice a month and then use this every other time you wash your hair. So it's nice to have a nice combination of both products together. All right, for all my curly hair girls, when you wanna embrace your beautiful curls, you wanna enhance them and you wanna have moisture, bounce, and body with the soft touch, this is our Royal Treatment Curl Care line. Notice how the line is small, so it's impactful. It's gonna make a difference with 4 products. You have your shampoo, conditioner, your leave-in, and a curl cream. Magic. You're gonna see the difference in one time. And then all my volume girls, this is gonna give you a true classic body and bounce. We've had it before, so you may already recognize it and use it. What it's gonna do is gonna have swell that hair and give you body. So this is a true favorite with fine textured hair. And then for all the people that need a little bit more scalp care, this is our biotin collection. So that's new, right? It's going to strengthen your hair from the inside out, from the follicle of where the hair grows. So if you're noticing a lot of finer hair, you're noticing maybe your hair's changing a little bit, this is gonna nicely nurture it. So your step 1 is your shampoo. 2, it's gonna condition, and then of course, your scalp care, mist it onto your root area, massage. It's gonna rebuild and strengthen your hair that you already have. And then all my blonde chicas, you're gonna love this. This is our blonde violet base. So this is our Color Gloss Blonde Enhancing Purple Shampoo and Conditioner. I love to use this in my back bar as well, but this is safe to retail to our clients because it's not gonna strip the hair color off, but it's also not gonna make it dry. So I love a violet collection that can tone and nurture at the same time. All right, and then this is a universal product. Everyone loves the fuchsia pink, but this is our Curl Gloss. This is one of our second most favored shampoo and conditioner. Not only is the fragrance amazing, but the body and bounce. This is for all my clients that have multi-dimensional colors. So think about it. We're doing roots, highlights, lowlights, maybe adding some different tones that are opposite. This is gonna preserve dimensional color, and it's a cream, beautiful white base, so it's for every color type. So make sure to be on the lookout for any of your favorite Royal Treatment shampoo and conditioners.